Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what is the scroll lock key, how to use it, or and also how you can check if it's enabled or disabled. So the scroll lock key in Excel specifically will help you to navigate in a worksheet. So when the scroll lock key is turned on or enabled, the arrows key allows scrolling through the worksheet. So you don't need to change the active cells to scroll into the sheet. So for example, in here, this is the active cells, and now the current status, the scroll lock key is inactive. So if you want to check if it's or already active or enabled or not, here I'm going to use the on-screen keyboard so you can see it. So on computer you can see the scroll lock on the keyboard, but if it's on laptop, maybe you cannot. Some laptops can don't have a scroll lock key on the keyboard, so you need to use the on-screen keyboard. So in here I'm going to enable first, so I'm going to click the scroll lock on my keyboard, and as you guys can see here on the on-screen keyboard, it is turned on, so it turns blue like this. You can see if it's enabled or not through here, or in Excel you can see the status. So in here you can see scroll lock. So when I click the scroll lock again on my keyboard, it will be gone. So that's the status. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the cells in here. So when I use the arrow on my keyboard, the active cells still in here, the D5, it doesn't change. But if I inactive the scroll lock, as you can see it's already inactive. When I click on the keyboard in here, the scroll lock key will change like this. Okay, you can see the difference like so. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.